You grind while they sleep, you learn while they party, and you live the way they just dream.
If I can do this, you can do this, but it's gonna be hard if you don't change your mind. You gotta change. You gotta change the way you think.
Hey, to all of you out there that are having a hard time right now, if you're getting beat up, maybe you're broke, you don't have any money, girlfriend or boyfriend left you, had a loss in your family, lost your job. I got a little message for you.
You have to be willing to give up something. While you guys were out partying, vacationing, going on the yachts, hanging out with the big ballers, you know what I was doing? Freaking hammering. I was learning. I was doing whatever it took to get in front of the right people. I was investing money in my future, my career, not in the club. And today I'm living the dream other people were just having. I want you to go to work to prosper. Go to work for freedom. This is what wealthy people do different than everybody else. Wealthy people work for freedom. They're working not for comfort items, not for a weekend. They're working for freedom. And bank your dough.
Don't waste your money on watches and cars and Brioni suits, okay? It's ridiculous. You guys that are buying $1,200 shoes, stupid. You guys that are buying $200,000 cars, stupid. You guys that are spending money on homes, no offense, but you're stupid. You don't need an expensive house. You don't need a country club yet. What you need is paper. You need money, baby. You need net worth. You need passive income. You need flows, baby. Flows and flows and flows. You don't need a Rolls Royce. You want to make more money? Learn how to give money away. You want to make more money? Get more attention. You want to make more money? You got to throw away your mom and daddy's lesson where they taught you to save money, but they didn't teach you how to make money. Learn how to make it, and then you'll learn how to give it away.
You deserve the dream, but you got to pay the price to get it. Like they say, the dream's free. The hustle, that's sold completely separate.